This is the Sentence Blender Spinner software program when it first runs. And you see what this program is comprised of is 15 individual text boxes. And in each of these text boxes, or as many as you wish, the more the better, you put sentences in spin syntax in each of these text boxes. The software program supports unlimited nested spinning. And what the software program does when you click this button here, Blend Spin, is it first off spins each individual sentence based upon the spin syntax you used, and then it also mixes up the order of the sentences as well to create truly 100% unique content with each spin. And you may be asking yourself, well, how is this article going to be readable and make sense if you're mixing up the order of the sentences? The answer is each of the sentences that you put in these text boxes, you want them to be self-standing sentences. What I mean by a self-standing sentence is, here's an example of a sentence that is not a self-standing sentence. After that, he went to the store. It only makes sense when you read the sentence previous to that. Now the sentence makes sense. A self-standing sentence would be a sentence like so. There is a self-standing sentence. It doesn't require or depend upon a sentence previous to it to make sense. And you want to put those kind of sentences in each of these text boxes. After you do that, you press the Blend Spin button, and you could also save your articles to file as well. This is Sentence Blender Spinner after I put in a few sentences in spin syntax. And the way you use the software program is you click on any of the text boxes, the sentence goes down in here, you work on it, make the changes you want to make to the sentence in terms of spin syntax, and then when you're done, either hit the enter key or the escape key and the edits go back up. And you keep adding sentences. And when you're done, all you do is you press the Blend Spin button. As I press this button, read it, and you'll notice how extremely readable it is, as well as how unique each version of this Blend Spin is as well. It's actually a piece of content I'm writing for another piece of software we have called Windows Fast IP Changer. And what I do, the way I use this software program is I'll fill up all the text boxes. I'll make at least 10 sentences, sometimes 12 or 15. And when I'm done, I'll save hundreds of these spun versions to file. And then over the next year or two, I can drip feed content to sites like Weebly, Wix, Tumblr, and whatnot. And it is a huge time saver. When you want to save these to file, all you do is click File, Output Articles to File. Let's say we want to save 777. You can save up to 999. Select the folder you want to save it in, and begin. And right now it is saving. It is creating spun and blended content and saving it to file. And there are the articles, 777 of them. Each of them unique. Each of them would pass Copyscape as being unique, non-duplicates. And this software program is that easy to use and that powerful. Other features, if you want to clear the contents of the text boxes because you're done, let's say you've created your article and you saved hundreds of them and you want to move on to the next one, just click here, clear all text boxes. It empties them. And a really cool feature about Sentence Blender and Spinner is you can copy an article anywhere online and paste it in this software program as individual sentences. And I'll show you what I mean by that. Let's pretend for the sake of this demonstration I want to create spun content about natural acne cures. What I want to do is I want to say copy this part here, acupuncture for acne and hormone balance. All you do is select it with your mouse, copy it to clipboard, and then select File, paste multiple sentences, and the software program will break up that article that I just copied sentence by sentence and put it in the software program. And then at that point, you can click on the individual sentences and apply the spin syntax to each of the sentences. You can also change the font size for readability if you want in the software program. Make it easier to work with. And there's full step-by-step help, instructions, and tips regarding using Sentence Blender and Spinner at this link here.